you so much. Run, run. Babe, can I have that phone?
Babe, why do you want to have my phone? Babe, it's my phone. Stop it, please.
Babe, let me have the phone.
Baby, stop it. My phone is my privacy, please.
I said, can I have the phone?
Why are you shouting?
Let me have the phone. Give me the phone. I said, give me the phone.
Baby, how are you? I've been trying to reach you, but your number hasn't been available. You know that I miss you. I just want to hear your voice, okay? Yeah, babe, I'm fine. I'm fine. What about you? You told me you were coming to see me in the hotel. Babe, I already paid for the hotel room. Are you still coming? What about your husband? Hope the stupid man is not around.
Jesus is Lord.
Anything possible to avoid that your stupid husband. You know, he's just an obstacle between us, okay? Just try to avoid her. Come over, come to the hotel room and I'm waiting. Baby, just come. I just want to run to you. Babe, listen, I'm gonna take you to the work this time. I got a new style. We are gonna do it today, okay? You are going to enjoy it. You know, I always satisfy you. I'm going to satisfy you over and over. You know, I love you so much. I love you, babe. I love you. I just want, I've been waiting and waiting so that that your husband, maybe you just take his life so that one of us can fly away, maybe to Dubai or London. But don't worry, I'm going to give it to you back to back. We are going multiple rounds this time around. I mean 4 rounds non-stop. 4 rounds non-stop, babe. Okay, you can wait and wait and I love you.
Have your phone.